I have mentioned in the past that I believe that this is our last president the way that we are, the way that we know the US. So, based on that, we will say that no more elections. This is it. What are your preparations for that? Have you really thought about that? For the sake of argument, let's say that the current president remains in power past his annual term. Then what? Now, it will be something that, to my knowledge, has not happened in the US. To my knowledge, I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, please let me know in the comment section below. But to my knowledge, hasn't happened. Now, I know that there is such a thing as you cannot serve more than 2 terms and all of that stuff. But if there's no election again, then what do? You got to keep the same president, right? Now, you have to have a catalyst for that to happen too. Something big must happen. And what is bigger than a war? Well, bigger than a war is World War III. Oh, Billy, come on. People have been saying World War III forever. Hear me out if you want to. You don't have to. This is just a conversation. Me sharing my thoughts. It was said there were not going to be any more wars. And yet here we are. In fact, I think we are just starting with this new one. We are starting and it's not going to be pretty. It's going to affect us big time. I mean, we know for a fact that the collapse is coming. We know for a fact that it's coming and it's unavoidable. So, add to that, wars, moving to wars, and what will you have? Yeah, you will have a suspension of elections. And you will have the same president pass its due time. For all intended purposes. I'm just going to throw something in here that was really weird when it happened. Perhaps you may find it weird too. A senator died and the senator's sister was put into power. A person who was not elected was just put into power. A family member at that. I don't know if you noticed that, but if you look through your history books, that's how royalty was. Inherit positions. I did not know that our republic was like that. Just food for thought. Now, I know that people are gonna get upset because you can't say anything about the current president. Otherwise, people immediately throw the who you rather have. Oh, this is a lot better than what we have. Come on, guys. Come on. We are adults, and if you can't have a conversation, then there is no point of you just even listening to me. Having a conversation with you all, hopefully like-minded people with an open mind. You have to understand that, listen, power corrupts. It doesn't matter who you are. It corrupts. So, my thoughts on the matter in regards to no more election, I see it happening. I just see the events unfolding, pointing into that direction. You may see things different. If you do, by all means, put it in the comment section below. Please don't write a book because I don't have the time to go through an essay. The way we are moving, we didn't have any business getting into this altercation that we are dealing with in the Middle East. We have no business, bending over for this Yahoo guy. This guy is not American. Why are we going above and beyond to finance that Yahoo guy? I know they have the little tentacles in our government, like manipulating everything we do. But I don't think they have our best interests at heart. But yet again, we're being pushed into wars that we don't need to be involved. And for everybody or anybody who always like, well, we have to stand with Yahoo guy. You understand that you are the one financing those things, right? Your tax dollars are financing those things. So what you're being asked to is work harder, not to defend your people, but somebody else. That's a hard pill for me. A really hard pill. I'm willing to make sacrifices for my country. I'm willing to make sacrifices for my fellow Americans. I'm sorry to say this, I am not willing to make sacrifices for other countries out there. I'm not. I don't know. I like taking care of my house first. And our house is in bad shape. But going back to the whole no more elections. If we are involved in a war, which honestly I think is unavoidable. Before we had Germany who tried to take power. China was not a major superpower back then. We still have the Soviet Union, aka now known as Russia. The Soviet Union, once the power they once had, the Germans will crush down. You guys know the guy with the little mustache. But China came into power. So now we yet again have three superpowers fighting. And we came out of Second World War the winners. It was the last time we won anything. Since then, every little war that we have been involved, we have lost. We have lost. So we're living based on the idea that we were once the biggest dog in the block. That is not longer the case. If we were the biggest dog in the block, why we having so much trouble, squashing a bug? What is it? People with riding camels and whatnot. How many years we were sending troops to other countries full of sand and camels? We came out of there. We didn't win, and yet so many Americans lost their life. Special interests? I see more special interests in not having more elections. I see special interests just appointing or keeping one individual there in power so they can get richer. Listen, our system is broken. We no longer have rights. We have privileges. Our voting is as crooked as a hook. And no, you can't trust no politician. And our legal system is a two-tier legal system. If you have money, you can get away with everything. If you don't have money, you go into jail. The funny thing is that they want to put you in jail so they can tax the rest of the people more to get more money, to do more wars, to give you more crumbs on programs that they do. They want you more dependent on government because those dependent on government will not fight against the government. Those dependent on government will not fight against having a king because the king is giving you food. So you don't want to have that king dethroned. But here in this republic, we have elections. And if those elections go away, one will remain in power. My friends, I guarantee you that that's not going to be you or I. It will not be. And I guarantee you also that we will be in a world of hurting. Because then those privileges that it was once right will be all become obsolete. Totally gone. Because absolute powers corrupt absolutely everyone. Let me know what you think. Do you see more elections coming? Do you see the elections being canceled? Do you see World War III starting soon? Do you see us becoming the big dog once again? A lot of questions here. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I hope to see you in the next one. And like always, God bless you all.